We acknowledge that this is a process that requires time, but we need to start it now. In a Senate inquiry on the implementation of the UNDRIP in Australia, we heard overwhelming support for enshrining the UNDRIP into domestic law as the #1 means to our rights actually being respected. Adhering to the UNDRIP would do vastly more for our people than any voice ever could or would. Last but not least, I want to talk about treaty. Treaty is the end to the war that was declared on us when the ships arrived. Treaty is a peacemaking instrument. Treaty is a way for two sovereign parties to negotiate on a way forward and agree through an internationally recognised formal legal agreement. Treaty provides us with the opportunity to negotiate on the things that matter to us. This includes, but is not limited to, land and sea rights. The courts recognise that terra nullius was a myth and that this land is ours. But instead of land rights, we got native title, a token gesture that has caused many disputes in our communities, and that can be extinguished by the government of the day with a flick of a pen. People need to understand that native title is not land rights. Native title is racist. Native title forces us to claim our own land and justify our existence and connection to the coloniser. The coloniser then decides if it is legitimate. It's an insult beyond words. We need to have a discussion about land back. One simple way to initiate land back is a moratorium on the sale of Crown land across this country. Once privatised, that land is locked away and is not coming back easily. This land doesn't belong to the Crown. Come on. It never has. And it should be handed back to First Peoples, whose land it is. Treaty provides us with an opportunity to put everything on the table, to reset the framework and heal. Peace treaties must be front and centre with every one of our nations to self-determine for themselves. We are not one homogenous group, as much as the colonial project would like us to be.